the 2018 Ford Explorer. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as front and rear reading lights, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, speed-sensitive wipers, heated door mirrors, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.